Went out and got some plywood today. Two 4x8 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood. I had them rip it there so it would come down to being two 4x4 or four 4x4 pieces of plywood. And that is because I'm going to use that to make a flip top cabinet for my sliding miter saw. And most of the stuff I've looked at on YouTube and some other places, they do it with a regular one. I haven't found too many that do it for the longer one. Plus I want to have a lot of storage. And then what else too is going to go on there, I don't know if you can see it over there, I'll zoom in a little bit, is my planer. So I have my Dewalt planer and then my miter saw that's going to go into this cabinet I'm going to build. And then I'll have storage on the bottom for tools, blades, and so on. So that's the beginning of what this project will look like. And as I start to do the cutting and lay out stuff like that, I'll keep you informed with everything that I'm doing.